Check, check. I'm audible, right? Okay. Hello, hello, guys. I hope you're all well again. So, this is a continuation of the last class. Okay, in the last class, we have dealt about the concept of permutation and combination. Then also, we have come across fundamental principle of counting. And later on, we try to solve question number 1 of exercise 6.1. So, today in this class, we are going to discuss or we are going to start discussing from question number 2 of exercise 6.1. So, I believe that you have completed the previous class and note it down in your notebook along with the examples that we have done. Examples, it is very important, okay? You note it down in your notebook. The examples of this exercise or of this chapter is very important. Okay, so coming to the class, let's start from question number 2. So we are dealing with exercise 6.1. We are dealing with exercise 6.1. So today we are going to start with question number 2. So what is question number 2? So let's read out the question. So that factorial 2n. Okay, we have also learned about factorial, the factorial notation. Factorial is the product of all natural numbers, the n natural numbers. It is a continued multiplication. So factorial 2n, okay, we need to show what on the right hand side we have 2n, okay, into multiplied factorial n, and then within bracket we have got 135. Oh, that means the odd number. It is similar to our example D. Do you remember? Okay, it is similar to that example. You go through that example, you will be able to do. Okay, let's see. Let's start doing. What do we have? Okay, solution. What do we know? We need to prove. Factorial 2n equal to 2 to the power n factorial n, okay, 1 or not comma, it is into the 135 2n minus 1. Okay, solve applying the fundamental principle of counting. Okay, so let's start from our left hand side. Factorial 2n. Yes. Okay, so if we take out the if we okay express this factorial, then what do we will get? 2n is there, so 2n into what do we get now? It will go on decreasing. Yes, it will decrease 1 by 1 दी. So 2n इसके साथ एक decrease होंगे, तो it will be 2n minus 1. Yes, it will be 2n minus 2, right? 2n minus 3. It will go on like this. They up to 1 it will come to 5 4 3 2 1. So this is our factorial twice of n. The now in the right hand side you see here it is all odd number. to. Okay, let's try to separate even and odd here. Okay, 2n, this is odd or even? Even, right? N multiplied by 2, obviously it will be even number. 2n minus 2, it will be even. Yes, 2n minus 2, same, it will go to 2n minus 4. Yes, so okay, we can keep them into bracket. Then the odd number we can start doing 2n minus 1, right, into 2n minus 3. Oh, wait. Up to here, okay, we have to come the wait. What did I do? Okay, it will go on up to the least even number, right? The least even number. So dot it will go 4 2 1 will come. No, 1 is odd number up to 2. Same here. Okay, 2n minus 1 dot 2n minus 3. So it will go on dot 3 and then 1. Yes, 5 pachai 5 3 and then 1. Dot is there. D. Okay. Then now what shall we do? What shall we do? We have got 2 to the power n. 2 to the power n. Then okay, let's take 2 common here. यहाँ से तो सब 2 आ सकता है. All are having 2. From 4 you can take 2 and then from 2 you will get 1. So you can take 2 common. Yes. लेकिन देखो this is all multiplied. So how many 2's are there now? Up to there will be n number of 2's. So 2 multiplied n times, right? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, how many times? Not 3, not 4. So if we get 2 into 2 into 2, we will have how many? 2 to the power 3. Now it will goes up to n, so it will be how much? 2 to the power n. So 2n. Got it? Okay. 2 to the power n, we took the common, then here we get 1. Yeah, so 2 ले लिया, then it will get what? n minus 1. है ना? या से भी 2 ले लिया तो क्या आएगा? n minus 2. Then from 4 we've got 2. From 2 we have got 1. Fine. Okay, you can break this one again into one more line. Okay, like how we did in the example. Taking 2 common out, we got n minus 1. 2 out, n minus 2. Okay, 2 into 2, you can do like this. Then 2. I have decreased one line. Then यहाँ से तो 2 तो common नहीं ले सकता, तो it will remain as it is. 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, 5, 3, 1. चलो चलो चलो. Okay. So what do we get? 2 to the power n. See here, this is a continued multiplication of n number of terms, right? Natural number d 1 up to n. So this is nothing but what? Factorial of n, है ना? n से कम कम एक कम कम up to 1. right? So this is nothing but your factorial n. तो मिल रहा है the right hand side. Then this is remain same, तो इसको उल्टा कर दो दे. First you write the 1 2 3, then we get our answer. 1 3 5 dot 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 2n minus 3 dot 2n minus 1. Yes. So this is equal to our right hand side. So this is our, so you can write them there for factorial of 2n. This is factorial 2 to the power n, 2 to the power n into factorial n into 1 3 5 dot 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 up to what, 2n minus 1. Hence so. Okay, let's proceed to our next question. What is question number 3? How many words? क्या बोल रहा है? How many words? How many words? Okay, the words may or may not have meaning. तो meaning भी हो सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है. Can be formed with the letters of the word English, English, taking 3 at a time. So there will be how many? 3 letters. The 3-letter word we have to form using this. How many words are there? How many letters are there here? English, 7 letters are there. So out of 7, okay, 3 words, 3 letters, 3 word letter we have to form. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. The fundamental principle of counting आएगा. So total number of letters. Okay, first write down. Solution here. Total number of letters, or in English equal to how many? 7. Now, okay, क्या है? You have to 3-letter word, है ना? So this is the first place. So the first place, in how many ways it can have? How many letters you can use here? I think here the repetition is not allowed. Okay. 3 letters at a time, है ना? तो first will be how many letters are there? 7. Yes. तो एक choose हो गया. Now how many letters remain? The second place, how many remain? 6 letters are there. So you can fill this place into 6 ways, right? And this one, how many? The remaining is 5 ways. So total number of words, okay, that can form is multiplication of these 3. 6 5 is 30, 30 into 7, 210. Understood? पहले ये E आ गया, right? N आ गया, G आ गया. उसी तरह से, okay, you can have this one. E, N, G, like this, it will go on, right? It can also from NEG, right? Or NEL, right? एक choose होने के बाद here repetition is not allowed, so one word is already used, so remaining will be how many? Six letters are there. So from there six letter you can choose anything. Yes. So इसको हम अभी सेंटेंस में लिखेंगे. Okay, so the first place, the first place of the word can be selected in how many ways? Seven ways, right? The second place can be selected from the remaining जितना बचा हुआ है, right? From the remaining letters in how many? Six ways. The third place can be, okay, the third place of the word. Okay, you can write, you write can be selected from the remaining letters in how many? Five ways. Okay, you can mention the remaining letters also, the from the remaining six letters. Okay, from the remaining five letters. Hmm. In five ways. So therefore, क्या पूछा है? How many numbers, how many words can be formed? So therefore, number of words that can be formed equal how many? 7 into 6 into 5 equal to 210. This is our answer. Okay, clear. Now let's proceed to question number 4. What is question number 4? If repetition is allowed, okay, here earlier repetition is not allowed. Okay, if it is not mentioned, then you assume that repetition is not allowed. In the question, if it is not mentioned, and then if it is mentioned, they go if repetition is allowed. Okay, so normally you assume that repetition is not allowed if it is not specifically mentioned in the question. If repetition is allowed, okay, how many even numbers of two digits can be formed with the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? If repetition is allowed, how many even numbers of two digits, okay, can be formed with a digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Okay. Even numbers. They. How many even numbers are there? Two even numbers are there. है ना? Two and then four. And then how many digits are there? One, two, three, four, five. That means two digit wala हमको we have to do. So the first place, even number. That means in the last digit, it should be even. तो even number क्या क्या है? 2 and 4. So this one, it can be either 2 or it can be either 4. Right? That means two ways. It repetition is allowed. So two ways, okay, it can be filled. Then here it can be anything, and it is repetition is allowed. So how many digits are there total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 are there. So here we have got how many? 2 ways, and here we have got 5 ways. So 5 into 2, 10 ways. Wow, we have got the answer. D. Okay, chalo, let's write it down. Number 4. Chalo. क्या कहेंगे? Unit place. Okay, it is, since you can do since the number is a two-digit even number. Since the number is a two-digit even number, so therefore, okay, you can use the symbol also. Okay, so therefore क्या होगा? The unit place can be filled by the number, by the digit D, by the digit 2 or 4. In how many ways? Two ways. चलो, now अभी 10 place का बचा है. Okay, the 10th place can be filled by the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 5 different ways, or in 5 ways. Therefore, क्या है? Therefore, number of two digit even number can be form equal how many? 2 into 5, 10. Okay. The 10th place can be filled by the digits okay, यहाँ पे लिख दो okay. Since the number is a two-digit number and repetition is allowed. And repetition is allowed. Okay. So this is our question number 4. Okay. Then now let's proceed to question number 5. Number 5 is without repetition. Without repetition, how many numbers of 5 digits can be formed with the digits? Okay, 5 digit banana. Hey, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 digits are there. Out of 10, you have to make 5. Okay, okay. And it says that without repetition, same as question number 3. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Question number 5. Okay, so we have to make how many? 5 digit. 5 places are there, right? And total how many digits are there? 10. So the first place, okay, it can take how many? क्या बोल रहे 5 digit दे 5 digit number बनाना है. Okay, interesting. Here we have got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Suppose so yeah, say 1 2 3 4 5. These are the okay, this is one way. This is one way. So the first place ठीक है now can it start from 0 यहाँ पे 0 आ सकता है since we also got the digit 0 right here we also got the digit 0 so ये क्या हो सकता है say 0 1 second place is taken by 1 third place is 2 and this is 3 this is 4 is this a 5 digit number 0 1 2 3 4 or 0 5 3 2 1 is this a 5 digit number or 4 digit so if 0 is there in the front then we don't count right it is only 5 3 2 1 that means this is a 4 digit number that means we have got one restriction here that the first place it cannot be filled by the number 0 yes 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 did you get it did you get it so क्या होगा if 0 is not there if you cannot use 0 then the first place or the first digit then the first place it can be occupied by how many numbers apart from 0 1 2 3 4 5 up to 9 so it can be done in 9 different ways in 9 ways repetition is not allowed चलो अभी say you have taken one okay you have taken one now remaining क्या आएगा we have got 0 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 one use हो गया here you can also have 0 So how many are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the second place is also 9. ये क्या हो गया? So यहाँ पे से you have taken 0, है ना? 0 को ले लिया. Okay. Then the third place repetition is not allowed. So in the third place you'll have the remaining. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It can be done in 8 ways. Similarly, it can be done in 7 ways. तो ले लिया तो बचा क्या होगा? And it can be done in 6 ways. ठीक है. And the total number of numbers will be multiplication of all these numbers. Okay. चलो. Now this is done from which direction? Direction is also important. Right or left? We have started from the left, right? Left. We have started from the left. So direction is also important. First place from which? From the left, right? Second place from the right. है ना? Okay. So write down since repetition is not allowed. So क्या होगा? The first place from the left, है ना? How many ways? 9 ways. Second place from the left can be filled in how many ways? This is also 9 ways. Third place from the left can be filled in 8 ways. You can also use unit that the place value. Okay, 1 unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000. It will be too long, the 10,000 plates or the 1,000 plates. Better with this one. Fourth place from the left can be filled in how many? 7 place. Then fifth place from the left can be filled in 6 ways. So therefore total number of five digits total number of 5 digits, okay, can be formed, okay, equal क्या आएगा 9 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. So multiply करो now. 9 into 9 81. Then 8 into 7 56. 42 into 8 16 1 32 33. 9 into 9 is how much? 81. 6 3 3 48 4 24 28. 8 3 is 24 26. So this is how much? 6 8 plus 3 is 11 1 11 12 7 2 7 2 1 6. So this much of numbers. Wow. Okay, 10 digits are there, 10 numbers are given, and from there you have to make into 5-digit number D. So how many? 27,216. In these different numbers you will get. Wow. So without C, the power of permutation. Okay, the power of permutation or fundamental principle of counting. Without, if you are given to find like this, then you will, if you don't know this one D, then you will have to make this arrangement, right? Writing this 2 7 2 1 6 different ways you have to write like this: 1 2 3 4 5 2 3 4 1 5, right? You will go on up to how many? 27,000. So this, that is why this is a very important concept, okay, in calculation. Fundamental. Okay, that is why fundamental principle of counting. Okay, now let's come to question number 6. Here it says that without repetition. Without repetition. Without repetition, how many 4-digit numbers can be formed with the digit? I think now you will be able to do. Yes, you will be able to do by yourself, I think. I believe that you understood. Okay, you tell me whether you understood or not. Okay, in the comment section, in the message. Okay, you message me. So let's come to question number 4. Without repetition, how many 4-digit numbers? Okay, so first write down given digits, right? क्या क्या दिया है? 1 3 5 7 9. Then यहाँ पे लिख दो. Okay, repetition is not allowed. 4-digit D. Okay, so since repetition spelling हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है? PE है ना? Oh, how can I forget? Since repetition is not allowed. Okay, so first place. कितना ways? How many digits? 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 ways. Repetition is not allowed. So 4 ways. 3 2 ways. First place can be filled equal how many ways? 5 ways. Second place can be filled equal how many ways? 4 ways. third place can be filled equal how many? 3 ways, right? So fourth place can be filled equal how many? 2 ways. Here we have not written the direction because 0, okay, 0 is not there, D. So we don't have any confusion here, right? Okay, that is why I didn't write the direction here, first place from the left, because whether or not this place, right, or whether you start from this place, okay, first place, it will always be 5 ways. It will be always be 4. If you start here, then this will be your 5, this will be your 4, this will be your 3, this will be your 2 if you start from the right. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so therefore चलो, total number of क्या है, क्या फॉर्म करना है, 4 डिजिट नंबर दे, 4 डिजिट numbers equal, okay, total number of 4 digit numbers can be formed equal 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. So 5 4 is how much? 20. 20 into 3 is 60. 60 into 2, 120. So this much of numbers. Clear? Understood? Okay. So now shall we proceed to our question number 7? What is question number 7? How many ways the letters of the word number? Okay. So number को ही लिखना है. The word number. The how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters are there. Okay. So how many ways the letters of the word number can be arranged? Oh, this is सीधा सीधा सवाल दे. It can be arranged in how many ways? Yes. So, 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 see n. That means 6 places are there, right? So, use the fundamental method of counting, the fundamental principle of counting. Then 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. है ना? Factorial 6. In this way you can count. And then second question is, how many of these will start with M? So M को fix करना है. M को fix करना है. When M is fixed, it starts with M. The so first one is already fixed. So how many are left now? 5 places are left, and interchange will be in 5 different places. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. ठीक है, ठीक है. Then how many of these do not end with B? Do not end with B. That means the last place is fixed. That it will not be B. It can be other than B. So 5 ways. Okay, the last place will be 5 ways. Chalo, interesting. Okay, let's go to question number 7. Okay. Question number 7. How many ways the letter of the word number? So total number of letters in the word NUMBER. are equal to how many? 6. Therefore, the how many ways letters of the word? So therefore, okay, the total number of ways, the total number of ways it can be arranged equal to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. तो मल्टीप्लाई करो 5 4 30, 30 into 4 12, 120, 3 2 6, 120, 12 into 6 72, 720 watts. Okay, now let's come to number 1. How many of these will start? Okay, how many of these will start with M? So the first place is fixed D. Since the letter starts with M, how many of these will start with M? D. So the first place, what will write? The letter, how many? The word, D, not letter, the word starting with the letter M, with the letter M can be arranged, okay, by the remaining 5 letters okay. How many of these will start with from? Buddy? In how many ways? Wait. Not in the. So therefore the total number of words so form equal to क्या होगा 5 4 3 2 1. तो क्या होगा? This is your 120 letters. Okay, 120 words. How many of these do not end with B? Okay, Okay, the words that do not end with B. ठीक है, the words that do not end with B can be formed equal to, क्या होगा, can be formed with, okay, first place from the right. Repetition is allowed. Okay, first place from the right. Okay, can be formed कितना होगा, how many ways, 5 ways है ना. Then second place should be right like this, second place from the right. Okay, B is how many now? The second place can also be done in 5 ways, right? तो एक तो ले लिया, तो सेकेंड प्लेस में भी 5 होगा. So third place from the right can be formed equal to 4 ways. 6 places are there. Third, wait, it will be too long. Okay, we'll make it short. It will be too long. 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 Chalo, chalo. Now you understood, right? Now you understood. In how many ways? So ये भी लिख, the words that do not end with B can be formed equal to, or total number of words. D. Okay, the total number of words that do not end with B can be formed equal, क्या होगा, first 5, second also 5 ways, right? Then it will go on like this, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Yes. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so 5 into 5 will be how much? 25. 25 into 4 is how much? 100. 3 into 2 6. So 100 into 6. This much of numbers. Okay, ठीक है, ठीक है. So we have completed exercise 6.1. Okay, so in the next class we will come to learn more about permutation. Okay, we will study in details. Okay, earlier, okay, the very basic definition we have learned that it is a collection of different things or arrangement. Okay, in how many ways it can be arranged, that is our permutation. And then the permutation, okay, it is symbolized by this, right? NPR. So it is called what? Permutation of n different things taking r at the time. So see, if it is not mentioned specifically, then all arrangements are considered on the same row with particular order, and permutation is assumed to be without repetition. So if it is mentioned, then okay, it is better. Whether we have to do without repetition, okay, whether repetition is allowed or repetition is not allowed. But if it is not mentioned, then we will assume that it is without repetition. ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है Okay, so we have also got theorem. Okay, so we will learn more about theorem in the next class. So I'm signing off for now. If you have any doubts, okay, you can reach out to me. I'm there. If you have any question, okay, you can ask me. I'm available. All your queries will be answered. So for the time being, I'm taking leave from you all. Note it down in your notebook properly, okay, and keep practicing. Okay, practice is must. Okay, then thank you everyone. Bye bye. Take care.